mind, or I spend whole day, and really I would say that I there were pin drop of silence, so I able to chanting very in peace.
Hmm.
So this was a good day for me this last Saturday.
Okay, very well said. Um, there is a word, I'll be writing that in chat box. Please check it out. And I want you to please tell me the meaning of it. Because after listening to Tarun's point, I thought to share this word because this belongs to me. I'm an ambivert. Can you people tell me what is the meaning of ambivert? Any one of you?
No, ma'am,
Okay. So
I don't
basically,
know it.
there's okay, Tarun, do you have any information about this? Or have you heard this ever?
I'm like a mixture of extrovert and introvert.
Absolutely right. Yes. One who is introvert also and extrovert too. Okay. So basically, yes, I wanted to say the same thing that I do have this problem that I'm ambivert. Now it depends upon the situation that how we need to mold ourselves. I'm introvert also. I feel sometimes I'm not comfortable with the people who are not like me. So I even don't try to initiate the conversation. I never try it. It is not a taste of mine. Now I'm not even extrovert because I'm not able to mix up or blend up with everyone whosoever are around me. So I'm not able to go for the both. Just to tell you that what is the meaning of ambivert, you can use this also in your resumes or curriculum, which I find it would be helpful for you. Fine. The next question is, okay, this is an interesting one. You can go for the imagination purpose also. It's not always about that you people exercise. Describe an exercise you know what it is, how it is done, when you first tried it, what kind of people it is suitable for, and explain why you think it is a good exercise. Now, it can be a spirituality also, it can be related to a mental exercise also, it can be related to physical exercise also, whatsoever. Okay, or you can imagine it.
So I do basic physical exercises daily for half an hour in the morning. Whenever I wake up, first I wash my face and then start doing like exercises. Even before doing Colgate and all, doing toothbrush.
Okay, really?
Yes, I do
नहीं,
that.
Even before.
फेस तो अब नहीं धोना है. Get up and get ready. That's it.
I do that. In that between, I do all the basic exercise of yoga. Like I don't know the names, but I do all of them.
Okay.
And after that, I do my toothbrush, and then again I start. Sometimes I do
Tushar, hold for a second. Tushar, you have to repeat. Hold for a second. There is network issue. I can't hear you. Hold for a second. I can't hear you at all.
hello.
No, it is still not coming properly. Once it disconnect and reconnect again. Reconnect, I mean, not again. Rajesh, would you like to tell me why?
So for our routine day schedule, I need
Hello.
to share it.
Hold for a second. Yes, Tarun, speak something now.
Can you hear?
Yes. Clear. Yes, clearly.
Okay.
Clear. Fine. Now it's clear. You have to continue from after brushing.
After brushing, okay. After brushing, sometimes I do meditation, but in meditation I generally fail because I do overthinking at that time. Okay, this is the task that I have to do today, and these are the tasks. These were all the tasks that I was unable to complete yesterday. Now these are the tasks I have to do. And one thing I make sure there should be at least 5 to 6 tasks that should be remain in my whole day, so that
Hmm.
I don't want my day to be completed. I don't want my day in which I have completed all the tasks, because I want to have that in my mind. Okay, these are the tasks that you have to do tomorrow. I
Right,
do this
absolutely.
in meditation time.
And that is the only time,
And
I guess, in the meditation time only you're able to think a lot. And you're not
yes,
able
yes.
to think on the other time. Yes, continue.
And the physical exercises that I do, they give me satisfaction, not just the physical satisfaction, but mentally also. Because at that time I am very calm, nobody, and not also calm. No, I'm not calm at that time. At that time, I play music at the fullest volume.
Right. But that gives the
I
mental
do
peace, you know. Even I
that
feel the
gives,
best part of my day at the gym only because you feel really very soothing. It is soothing for yourself that you have something in yourself, you feel very confident. Continue.
and after that, then I go to libraries. Before going to library, I do jogging in the park, which is in front of that library. And while jogging, then I put earphones in my ear and start jogging. And then again, I enjoy that. I don't know what do I enjoy more, the song or the jogging part, but I enjoy both of them.
True. High five
It's
for
a
that.
combination. It's a combination.
No, I must say he's absolutely correct on that point, no? That we enjoy that is this is the only part that we enjoy the most in the entire day, I guess. When we talk about the time you like the most, so I guess it is about the physical exercises. So yes,
No, no, I
Rajji, what
enjoy the
about you?
library part. I
But
enjoy my
I like
libraries
the
the most.
yes.
When I do coding, I feel that rush. I feel something is coming. I'm able to solve that question. That rush is not
Ah,
there in physical exercise.
exactly, but you know, you're very right on that path when you're saying that I enjoy the library part because in this age, if somebody is indulged into books or special libraries or a place, so Tarun, you are doing something great in your future. You're going to do something great. That are my words, mark it up because this quality is going to take you somewhere. Right now you might be smiling, you might be feeling a little flaunting, but later on you'll get to know that ma'am has said that it will make me reach somewhere. You don't know what exactly you're getting from that library because one by one you're going on to the next question and you're able to solve it up, or it might be the case you're more interested in your field and that particular field is directly connected with your interest and this interest, that passion question, remember you have asked. So this passion will lead you to your goal. I assure you. Okay.
That
So
is,
much of
I cannot imagine a single scenario where I will not be able to achieve my goal.
no, this passion is going to make you touch that goal. You'll remember my words. A time will come that you will revive that memory that mom has said me, and she was right at that point. Yes, strategy. Now, Radhaji, am I audible?
Audible.
Yes.
Um, you really said correctly, because reading habit, it's a really good thing at the time of your studying and whatever on your college time, because
Especially at
if
his
you have a
age.
reading it's
Especially
a
at
need.
his age. Ah, right. In
It's a
this
need.
generation, if we talk about our Delhi generation is more attracted towards the pubs, the clubs, this kind of life.
Yes.
But he is more interested in the library
So
one.
the
You know,
still
this
still
is something very unique. Hmm.
so I would say, ma'am, that I wake up for 5 or 5 between 5:30 in the morning, and really having a warm hot water, and after that 1 cup of tea. Then I get ready for my gym, and I spend 1 hour, 1.5. If I have more time, because if I'm going directly to market, then maybe 2 hours I spend in gym. So I like most to go gym, but not for making body and all, but for the only
For
fitness
the fitness.
and
Yes, right, right.
for fitness only, so that
That is
tummy cannot I- tummy should not come out, and
obesity
physically.
or yes,
So obesity,
right.
not obesity, if you are still slim, but
The fitness part.
tummy
It's
will,
not always about it's not
ha,
always about slimmer. It's not about being fatty. It's about healthy. Be healthy.
healthy, yeah.
Be fit.
Be healthy
That's all.
for fitness, that every body part will uh, refresh, and that you can take some good exercise, walking, treadmill, and after that I spend some in yoga. Like I always uh, do kapal bhati, alom bilom, and some surya namaskar. So I know very well lot of yoga, and so I did this, and I love this time most, because at that time I'm doing whatever I'm doing for myself. So
Yeah, absolutely.
if I'm spending time in club party, definitely this time is spending, but my body is definitely is impacted because of this task, because drinking,
Hmm.
smoking, and all. But really, in the morning, whatever I'm doing for myself. So
Ah,
that's
right.
why I like the most that part. And after that,
I
I
really.
get ready and went to
Hmm.
office or maybe in the market directly. So this is the part, or maybe some important mails and all. So I'm closing this meeting, just BC, uh, this Zoom meeting and all with teams, and also some corporate Chennai and all team. So after that evening, I can't stay on that,
Hmm.
because
It's
of
okay. We
whole day
understood. We
I
understood.
spent so.
We understood automatically. I really don't know that how do people manage to wake up so early in the morning. My God, hats off to you all.
I wanted to ask him the same. He
Oh,
said he
really?
wake up at 5:30.
I cannot wake up before 7. That is one of the issues I face. I have faced and I will face. So I don't think so. I'll be able to wake up before 7 or 7:30. That is the only time that I can wake up. And maximum is 8 or 8:30. But before that, never
It is only,
possible.
That's
ma'am, 5 working days. Saturday,
How do you
Sunday,
feel? And actually,
Saturday, Sunday
waking
will
up is
wake up
no,
after
no,
2.
waking up is one thing. Waking up is one thing that at 5 o'clock you're waking up. And the second thing is you people are doing the exercise. Oh my God. So energetic, so enthusiastic in the morning. No, I cannot do. Not at all. I rub my eyes in the morning. I have to see my puppies, where are they? And then they bark a lot. Then they just lick my hand or something. They're around me. So it is very difficult to do the
Nahi,
exercise.
they
How
bark
do
because you
people
get up late. Ma'am, they bark because you get up late. Wake up late.
Ah, no, no, my husband handled him. Actually, yeah, you're right. My husband wakes up around 5:30 or 6 maximum, you know, and I cannot wake up at that point. So he's always there to handle them up because we have a deal that I handle them the entire day. You have to handle them at night and in the morning. That's all. This is our deal, and it will be like that only. Okay. Before we are going to jump on the next question. I would like to say you have to write a piece of writing on any two questions that we have discussed today. Okay, any two questions. Understood, Tarun?
yes, ma'am.
And try to use the vocabulary on that. And you can write upon the library part because you will be able to write down few of the good vocabulary parts. Okay, so. N- Of course, depends upon you that which kind of questions you want to pick up. And if you want me to repeat the questions, I can for you. Do you want me to repeat all the questions once again?
You can forward the that page on WhatsApp.
That page? No, sorry, I won't. You will get to know the other questions too. Okay. Otherwise, I have to
So
take
You
one is
can
really
drop.
screenshot.
they're
So let
very
me just
You
clear.
can
Na?
repeat.
drop that image.
One was advice. Second was second
Let
was
me repeat all of them. You
they
can write it down right now. Okay. First is art, the art piece of art. Okay. Second was the book one. Second was the book one. You recently read the book. Then piece of advice, which was related to the communication. That which piece of advice have you received, and how would you like to improve that up or mend your ways? Acha, I wanted to give this word mend your ways. MEND. MEND.
Man,
Mend.
मतलब सुधारना, clear.
Yes, absolutely right.
Man, I
Okay.
used
So how would
while
you?
talking.
Huh. This is better
Mend
to
it.
use instead of improving yourself and all this phrases. It is better to use mend your ways. So thought to give it to you. Next is daily routine work that was related to a time of the day you like. Okay. Then that was exercise one. Okay. Then that's all. These were the only questions.
So we can talk,
Okay.
write any on one.
Uh, for
Any
you,
one.
for you, I'm being lenient. Only one. For Tarun, I'll be a little strict. He has to write two. Okay? Because I know the
Okay.
situations people are in. So, shall we continue with the next question, or is it enough for today, or shall I leave it off?
It's enough for today. Ma'am, there is one question. The advice.
Sure.
ADVISE advice
Oh, very good question.
and
Very good question.
ADVICE. CE.
ADI advice. ADVICE is your noun. Piece of advice. That is your
Yes,
noun. And ADVISE that is your verb.
correct.
He is giving me the advice. That is your noun. And do not advise me always. So that is your verb.
Verb.
Okay. So always keep that in mind that
Very
where you need
important.
to use advising. So उसमें s will be used because you are adding verb plus ing,
Don't give
verb
me,
first.
if I say, sorry, if I say don't give me advice, it means ADVICE.
Yes, that is a noun.
And advise me, it is ADVISE.
Yes,
Correct.
se. Okay. So keep that in mind that advising, advised, ed, तो s use करना है. ठीक है? And only for a
Yeah.
piece of advice, I have listened to your advice. So see, so that is a noun there. Okay?
Correct.
That was a very good question, I must say. Okay. Fine. Bye. Good night. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night. Good night.
Good enough. Thank you. See ya.
Yeah.